box with our box opening devices.
Unboxing. Who's present? Mackenzie? Yep.
I'll get them.
Things that we cannot find in the store. We order a lot online, like groceries and stuff.
A thank you card.
They gave us
Oh,
paper.
really?
It's a paper unboxing. Yeah, we got paper.
Yeah.
And this is brown paper.
You're
Gotta have some diverse paper.
I say thank you for shopping with us. It's
This is the best part right
Yummy
here.
Bazaar.
Uh-oh, that's your mom's stuff then.
This is the best part.
Pop.
Oh.
Mark used to play a box. You buy him a toy, he play the box.
Now, who in their right mind
What?
would want this many candy bars?
Let me see.
That depends on the flavor.
Let me see. Ah, I can't see it. Do it like this. Flip it. Ah, that's my favorite. And what's the other one?
What's this?
Milk or dark chocolate.
These
What is
are
that?
Hazelnut crispy wafers.
Oh, that's free, I guess.
And then we have a lot of miniature
We
bubble
need the
wrap.
wrong order. I thought I have 5.
No, free. That's what you get for thinking.
I said 5. Actually, I said 10.
This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. That's 2. It's the same thing. This guy's a psychopath.
What was it?
It's all different.
What is it?
They're
This-
different mustards. I
Yes.
thought they were all the same.
Nope. This is German Bavarian style sweet mustard.
Show it. Let me see. They are mustard people here. Different kinds of mustard.
This one is medium hot mustard by Löwenzahn. That's exactly how.
What word is that?
Löwenzahn means Löwenzahn in German. That's what it means.
German.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
German myself.
And this one's medium hot also.
That's a lot of mustard. What are you gonna do with it?
This is extra hot.
That's extra hot.
'Cause
Oh,
it
that's
takes
me.
It takes after me.
I'm
no,
hot.
not you at all. Not either of you.
And this is
Liar.
another one of my sweet mustard.
Sweet mustard. Too many mustard.
And then we have one last container. And that's going to be, I'm sure, some more red lids in there. Should be. And should be another one of
Too
those.
much mustard. Look. See, mustard.
Another extra hot.
You cannot find it in the store. So, when we lived in Florida, we used to get those in
Another medium.
German store. There's a lot. Look, it's all mustard.
And now tomorrow we have choices.
What?
Sausage or burgers so that I can eat some mustard because I've been out of mustard for too long.
I'm saying burgers. I'm voting.
I didn't even have mustard to put in my chicken salad when I made it the other day.
Huh? Mackenzie didn't get any. Mackenzie girl, do you want chocolate?
This is what she gets.
Oh, it's all mustard, girly. Look. Mustard, 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 different kinds.
Ooh, this is good stuff.
See? Oh my god, that's too much mustard. Different.
No, that's all you get.
I
Well,
got
you
chocolate.
ordered the dark chocolates just for me.
No, 3 for you and 3
That's
for
the only
Okay.
chocolate I like.
Okay, I'll try one of these.
And 3 for you, 3 for me, and 3 big bars so your mom can gain an extra 20 pounds this month.
Yeah. I thought I ordered 5.
No.
Okay, that's it.
At
Bye.
least your 3 is bigger than ours. Look, we got 3 little ones.
I know. All right. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're silly.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god.
Bye-bye.
What is wrong? It's just mustard. He's so excited for mustard.
Ah.